Hey everybody, this is Alan Hensley from Merriman Wealth Management, and I'm just making a Live Fully video today. It's been a while since I've done that, but I'm out here hiking with my daughter. We're at Sourdough Gap right now. It's a beautiful day. There's some clouds, but it actually feels nice. I love making these videos because it's just the other side of invest wisely, live fully. This is how I live fully, by getting out in nature. Hopefully you're doing something fun today too. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Are you ready to go on this adventure?
Yeah.
Daddy and daughter hiking.
Yeah.
Have to say hi. Say hi. Is this your favorite hike so far?
Yeah.
That's cool, huh? Are you having fun?
Yeah,
What's your favorite part? Do you like the marmots?
definitely.
Do you like the views?
Yes.
Do you like the clouds?
Kind of. Not really.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.